Good morning, Year 5 and 6. Today we are going to multiply and divide numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. And hopefully I'm going to quickly remind you how we do that. Okay, just a quick revisit of the rules. Remember, if we are multiplying, we are going to move our digits to the left. And when we divide by 10, 100 or 1000, we move the digits to the right. We can use the number of zeros to help us. So if we are multiplying and dividing by 10, we will move the digits one place. If we are multiplying or dividing by 100, we will move two places. And if we need to multiply or divide by 1000, we are going to move the digits three places. So let's have a look at what that looks like. Okay, you will find on eSchools, we've given you a sheet with lots of these place value charts to help you. And we're just going to look at how we can use those to help us. So we can see our question here is 36 multiplied by 10. So the first thing we can do is put 36 on our place value chart. Remember, 36 is made up of 3 10s and 6 1s. And because 10 has got 1 0, we are going to move the digits one place to the left, which I can remind myself of by putting the arrows on. And then finally, if I move my digits one place to the left and put a 0 in the empty box, we can see our answer. So we'll just put a 0 in our box there. So now I can see that 36 multiplied by 10 is 360. Okay, so how many places do we need to move if we are multiplying by 100? Remember, there are 2 zeros in 100, so we will be moving 2 places to the left. So let's have a look at what that looks like. First of all, let's write the number 430 onto our place value chart. Remember, 430 is 4 hundreds, 3 10s, and 0 in the ones. We're then going to move each digit 2 places to the left. So let's do that now. The arrows are just reminding us of what that should look like, moving each digit 2 places to the left, and then we can do that as follows. Just remember, any empty boxes, we are going to put a 0 in these empty boxes, and then we can see that our answer to 430 multiplied by 100 is 43,000. Now, if we divide, remember, we need to move to the right and we'll end up with a number that's smaller than the one we started with. It's exactly the same process. So first of all, let's put 570 onto our place value chart. And because 10 has got 1 0, we are going to move all of the digits one place to the right. So let's do that. So we move the 0 one place to the right. We will move the 7 one place to the right. And we will move the 5 one place to the right, which gives us an answer of 57.0, or we can simply write 57 because we have nothing of value after the decimal point, so we can just record that as 57. One final example for us, as I'm sure you're getting the idea. Here we have 430,000 divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so we are going to move all of the digits 2 places to the right. So my first job, is not to do that. My first job is to write the number 430,000 in the correct place on the place value chart. So lots of zeros to go in here. So we'll just plonk those on. And then I am going to move all of the digits 2 places to the right. Remembering, when we divide, our digits always move to the right. Okay, lots of arrows to go on here. and then all of those digits are going to move 2 places to the right, and that really doesn't want to play today. So you might be able to see what we're going to end up with. So just have a think, what number are we going to end up with when I move all of these digits 2 places to the right? And hopefully you agree with me that we end up with 4,300.00. So we can just record that as 4,300 because we have nothing of any value after the decimal point. So that's what you will be doing today, year 5 and 6. If you need to, you will find in eSchools we have given you a sheet that looks like this. It's got lots of place value grids on there for you. So if you needed to record your working out on those, let's just say we're doing 36 multiplied by 10, so everything moves 1 place to the left. You could use this sheet to help you get your answers correct. If you can't print that out and you have access to squared paper, remember we have done this in school before, where you can just use the squares as a guide. So we've got 3,600 here. We're going to be multiplying it by 100. Put on your decimal point to keep you in the right place, and then you can move the digits 2 places to the left. I know some people like to hop like that, or you can draw the arrows that we've been doing, but move the digits 2 places to the left for this calculation. Remember to fill in the zeros at the end there, and you can see our answer to this question is 360,000. Okay, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing your work today.